Sunset to rise somewhere and you said to settle down in search of scenery. It's never too easy to hold up yourself every time. Certainty has never been a piece of cake to be eaten simultaneously. Because sometimes you have to make tough choices. For a while, it's not bad either to lay in sand than to chase waves. I'm tired of portraying myself as emotionally strong. People around me are filled with dreams, life, passion, discipline. Aren't they tired of it? How do they handle unwanted vibration in their rigid life? Why is it hard for people to accept the fact that they are emotionally weak? It's not about asking for sympathy, rather, it's about self acceptance. It is a child place to embrace someone's flaws in quotes, but in real life, everyone sucks when twilight hits and the mind craves for peace. Aren't we all extravagantly justifying our current scenarios, hiding behind a philosophy we built over time to guard ourselves, lacking the flexibility to external ideologies that don't fit in with our long term ego issues? Is it? You are capable of doing it. You have that potential, but you lack the intent. You don't put in the required efforts. You are not serious at all. Capability will not always help you to reach where you wanted to. Earlier, it was my people who used to nudge me at my failure. Still, it was fine back then. Now, as I am selling through teenage, it's me at midnight who constantly rants myself with the kid. I don't want you to do things I love out of anger or revenge. I would rather prefer long term mediocrity over a temporary adrenaline rush of dominance. I desire to walk hand in hand with my peace. So, what if my mind flutters even the wings of butterfly do? Then, why is that beautiful and inside me is a place full of chaos? Is it too hard to settle down with this? It's time you start putting efforts on yourself rather than a people who put you in dilemma of whether to be or not to be, who put your worth on a question mark, who don't mark your presence worthy, who show you up only in case of need, who avoid you to settle with their life, who have countable reason to put you in guilt trip again, who are capable of ruining your time without even staying there. That's all my nimble mind suffers every day, but I'm not ready for it. I'm just not ready to accept how people change or how I place myself to change. You can always knock at your past apart from highly rushed memory lanes. They do offer you a sidewalk to stay. We all keep unsaid word inside us. And one fine day, you stand at the balcony looking at the city filler with the grey. A song plays in background, and your mind blurts out everything that your heart holds. Kavira is a home calling, ironically, a ideal home that wanderlust keeps searching for and never find it because the dilemma still supreme whether to breathe in or